Well, hello, fellow diamond painters. DP Crazy Lazy finally made it back. Uh, uh, Migraine, 2 days, had nothing to take for it. Uh, and it's just like, stay away from the light. And you can just touch your forehead and head and stuff now, and it's like, okay, it's almost like you're touching your brain. It's noon right now. It is oh my gosh, the 24th. It's Wednesday of April 2024. And these showed up just a little bit ago. Oh, so I thought I would show them to you. Uh, Nothing real big and fancy and special, but they are PR packages. So I have this from GBFKE, and then I have one from a new company that was cross stitch. And I don't have to do the cross stitch visually to you, but I'll show it to you. And there's a few in there I may want to do though, because at least what I saw online looked very, very good, and I will list them in the description below, as well as GBFKEs. Probably shouldn't do them both at the same time, but I want to do them. Not sure what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Running, I suspect, getting cake ready and all that other stuff for Sunday. So, okay, this is GBFKE. Like I said, it's nothing real fancy. I went ahead and ordered, where is it? Ordered two of them. Well, see, I said one and they put two in, so it was a miscommunication. But there are two of the square rulers. I wanted to try the square ones because the round ones did work. The round ones worked, except, like I said, when I pulled it up, I may have gotten maybe two or three that stayed in the ruler. But I wanted to try them and see how they work. I don't know why they put two of them in, but there's two. So that's from GBFKE. Did it list the number on it? 30 millimeter. I don't remember the count on them. Then I saw this and I thought, oh, this is cute. Something to put a few of my other pens in that won't stand up. And I thought this was kind of neat to put my pens in, or I could use them, you put anything in them. My scissors, just, I thought it was kind of neat. They have all different colors. They're not real expensive. I've seen them elsewhere. I don't think, well, yeah, it is. It's suction. Okay. It does suction. Okay. So it's stable. That's really good. It will suction onto a table, and if you're setting stuff in it, you won't have to worry about it falling out or falling, over. So there was that. I forget what it's called, but I will show you. I wanted to try one. I wanted another straightener. I'm hoping it'll fit in one of my pens. Let me get one of my pens. Oh, because I want to see if the metal one, it may not fit in my turned pens. Though I have been able to put these in, so I'm wondering if it'll fit, but I'm going to have to tighten it. But I like the metal ones, because after using the plastic ones for a while, they get chipped, and I can put an extra band on it, I think. Either an extra band, or I can use the same thing I've been using, is some of that, either the Gorilla Putty or the Aleene's putty, because that holds the tip on. And they're not heavy. They don't make my pens any heavier, these tips, in any way, shape, or form. Does not make them any heavier. These are very lightweight. Okay, and I think this was only a couple dollars, something like that. But like I said, I'll have them in the description below. Okay, and the other thing I got, I thought it was in a set of 4, but it's not. It's a partial. It's specialty drills. I don't know if you can see the picture. It's probably blurry. It's your basic kit. You know, the pen and boat wax. I thought it was really cute. It's a 30 by 30. This one, I think, is a Valentine one. They had a set of 4, each one individually, and I think it was, now this is Christmas. It is. There's the Christmas packages. It reminds me of Valentine. They had a set of 4 in different designs, and these are really pretty. Oh, there's a pretty purple pink. Oh, and these are neat. These are hearts. There's some heart specialty drills. I see this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 different videos. This one is for GBFKE, and I will put up another one after this for the second package. That's only fair. But, oh my goodness. Oh, look, there's like a chartreuse or heart, a red heart, larger, smaller red heart. And put it this way, I think, red heart. These are just round stones. These are silver. Or no, this is I think it's like a black or gray. There's like a silver, a pinkish silver. You can see like the shade in there. Oh, there's a pretty green. I hope you're seeing this. There's your silver. There's a pink. There's your smaller red and another pink. But that is pretty. It's the hearts. Yeah, they'll be on the larger hearts. Be sitting inside these. This is really cute. I liked it. It was a partial, and it was something fun that I could do right away in between something, because I don't have too many of these things where it's like I can do just something in between. You know, like if I'm doing a big one, have something smaller, and I don't have smaller ones. Uh, you know, that I can do like in just in an afternoon. So this is really cute. This is really cute. Yeah, so I guess this won't be that long of a video, but this is from GBFKE. Uh, they are so nice. Uh, they're wonderful to deal with. I mean, quick response. They've been real kind to me, and I, so far I like their product. I mean, I do. Uh, Nothing wrong with it. Now this one did get a little bent, and that's not on them. That's shipping is shipping, but it can straighten out. So they must have figured, you know, put these together this way, and you can make it go across. So I thought I would come on and show you these. I'm definitely going to be using this straightener. And like I said, they're not heavy. They're not heavy at all. Now, if you're using a really lightweight pen, you're going to notice this. Most of my pens, being that they're turned, they're not heavy, but they are, you know, have more girth than just some of the lightweight ones you get off of Amazon and, you know, through Temu and such. So, all right, I'm going to let you go on this. I will get in the descriptions below so you can see them. If you're interested, I'll give you the links. And I'll be back with part 2 on a new one. So hang in there, hugs. DP Crazy Lady will be right back. So don't go away.